So today I'm going to film a what I eat in a day video. Right now it's the morning, it's like 8:30, and I'm going to be going to the gym, but I just wanna like make my bed and everything first. So I start off pretty much every single morning and I have iced coffee. This is the cold brew iced coffee brand that I use. This is the one that I use. I get the unsweetened one. And then I mix 4 ounces of almond milk with protein powder. I feel that it helps keep me full. It's kind of like almost like a replace of my creamer. I have other flavors of protein powder as well, but I'm just using the cinnamon roll today. It is really good. If you wanted to try this brand's protein powder, they do also offer individual packets, which is a really good way to try it. But I'm gonna have that. I normally like actually never eat breakfast. I never ate breakfast as a kid, so as an adult I also just never eat breakfast. But since I'm gonna be going to work out and I'm going to be doing some leg stuff, I am probably gonna eat a banana. Technically be my pre-workout breakfast ordeal. So I'm gonna just go ahead and consume this, get ready for the gym and go, because I have a feeling the things I'm gonna wanna use today are gonna be taken. Just wanted to share my fabulous outfit. The leggings are from Balance Athletica. How do you do that pose with the butt? I don't know. But yeah, the leggings are from Balance Athletica. The shirt is a t-shirt that was my husband's, and then it was one of my pajama shirts, and now I just cut it and I'm wearing it to the gym. And then I have these Converse knockoffs as my shoes. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the gym, and then I will film the rest of what I eat in a day. Love it. Subscribe. So it's about 11 o'clock now. I just got home from the gym not that long ago and I took a quick shower, and now I'm just going to eat some yogurt and granola. So this is my favorite yogurt at the moment. It's just plain Greek yogurt, and then I put in some of this granola from ShopRite. It's really good. I really like it. And then I put some chia seeds in it. All mixed together. It definitely looks just like birdseed mixed into yogurt, but I think it's really good. It's from Wild Way is the brand. Again, I get it at ShopRite, but I'm sure they sell it at like a lot of other places too. I don't always use a scoop when I am like scooping things, I guess you say. I don't always like measure out my food, but it just so happens that the serving size of the granola is 1/4 of a cup, and that's what I have, so I use that. And then I just, you know, scoop a little bit of chia seeds, mix it together, and this is a little post-workout. But so I'm gonna go ahead and just eat this, and then I'll be back when I'm gonna eat my lunch. So I'll show you what I do for lunch most of the time. I personally really don't like watching people eat, so I'll show you what I'm gonna eat, but I'm not gonna eat the whole thing in front of the camera, if that makes sense. So it is about 1 o'clock and we're gonna make some lunch. One thing that I really like making for lunch, because it's super easy, and especially like if you are still working in an office right now, it's not hard to bring with you. I like these chopped salad kits. This one is the barbecue ranch, and then I will put one of these tuna creation packets on it. This is the sweet and spicy. I like the sweet and spicy, and then I also like the ranch style a lot for this specific type of salad. So let me just put y'all down real quick, hold on. Just put you guys down, and we will assemble the salad. I'm sorry, these like angles are just like so horrific. So these kits come with, you know, like the dressing, and then it comes with other stuff to put in it. So I pretty much just get like a nice bowl. I think I put like pretty much the whole entire bag in here. For the most part, I put the whole bag. It comes with bacon bits, but I don't like them. And then it has this corn, and I think, what is this, edamame? Let me see. It is So there's roasted soy nuts and dried sweet corn, and then chia seeds in here. Then after I put all that in there, I'll go ahead with my little tuna packet. These are great because these don't need to be refrigerated. So if you are bringing them to work, you don't need to put this in the refrigerator. Usually I do, like I'll just have it all in my lunchbox and then I'll put it all in the refrigerator, but these can be stored in the cabinet. We take our barbecue dressing, which is really delicious, and I just put some of that on. Then I mix it up, and that's what it looks like all mixed up. I don't use all the dressing. It's really easy to make. It's not super expensive. It keeps me really full. So if you're looking for something to do for lunch, I suggest maybe trying one of these salad kits and then the tuna. If you don't like tuna, maybe bring like chicken or something. I used to not put any type of tuna or anything in it. I used to just eat the salad, but honestly, like I felt like I wasn't staying very full. So once I added like some source of like protein, I started getting more full. So I'm gonna go ahead and just eat my salad. I'm going to watch probably a little bit of TV, edit my video, and then you'll probably be back for dinner. I'm making honey sesame chicken tonight. Stay tuned, subscribe. So it's about 5 o'clock and it's already dark. So sad. I'm going to make dinner. I'm gonna be making a honey sesame chicken for dinner. It's Mike's absolute favorite dinner that I make. It's not my recipe, it's from someone, her name is Rachel, and she goes by Rachel Good Eats. I will link her website down below because she has so many great recipes. I've made a few things from her. I've made the sloppy joes, I've made that, and I think I made like 1 or 2 other things, but this is by far his favorite. I also double up on this recipe because he loves it so much, and he'll bring like the leftovers to work. So we're just gonna go ahead and make that now. But not in this room, in the kitchen. So it took me like 20 minutes to cut up the chicken. I didn't record that because I didn't think anybody was really gonna care to see me cut up chicken, and or some people are grossed out by that. So right now I have in 2 separate pans, onion and garlic, which I just use this garlic, this minced garlic. I don't have time. Well, it's not that I don't have time, it's just this makes my life so much easier. So I have 2 pans only because, like I mentioned, Mike really likes it, so I kind of make double, and I find it just easier for me to do it in 2 pans. So then I'm going to measure out the coconut aminos, only because, again, putting it in 2 things, I want to make it go quick. This is a quick recipe, so I'm gonna measure all that out and dump the chicken in these and just, you know, cook. Let's go for it. So we have the chicken cooking, and then I do 1/3 of the coconut aminos, 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of honey, and I think it's 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough sesame oil, don't tell Mike. But again, I'm gonna link the recipe down below. I'm definitely no Gordon Ramsay. If he actually saw the way I cooked, he would probably yell in my face. Definitely yell in my face, but I'm just going to kind of like have this be filming as I'm cooking because I don't want to burn anything. So I microwaved some broccoli. It's like the steam in a bag broccoli. It's super easy. And then now I just have one of these Trader Joe's Jasmine Rices in the microwave. It makes life so much easier. Rice takes like, what, like 20 minutes to make, and people are like, get a rice cooker, but then it makes way too much rice. It's only 2 of us. So one of those bags is perfect for just us 2, and then I have that in the microwave, and then this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. I just combined the broccoli in there and I put sesame seeds on it, and it is delicious. And then it's gonna go over the rice. It's gonna be so good. It looks like some of the water from the steamed broccoli got in there, which is not good, but it is what it is. And this is the final product for dinner. Super good, love it, obsessed. 10 out of 10. So I have my little ear pods in. I was just editing, but I'm going to end this what I eat in a day here. That's pretty much what I eat from time to time. Don't get me wrong, I don't eat that stuff every single day. I had pizza last night. I had Taco Bell on Tuesday. So I mean, it's called balance. I don't know if I've mentioned this, but I'm gonna be doing an 8-week challenge. I've done it before, which if you watched my weight loss journey video, you'll see like before and after pictures from that, but I'm gonna be doing it again. It starts in February, and I'm gonna kind of be doing week by week, and I'll show you what I eat and everything when I do that, because I am gonna try and be more strict when I do the challenge. So if you're not already subscribed, and if you're interested in seeing that, definitely subscribe. That starts in February, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
I don't know.